Hello, my dear Akune residents. Do you want this transition?
Easy go.
This transition is in 3 parts, so you add beat marks to the 3 places where you want this transition to appear on your audio track, and insert this video as I do. Then, resize this to the size of your video frame. Bring it to the first beat mark, and crop and adjust it as I did. Then, the next thing to do is to place the 2 video clips so that they match the second and third beats respectively, and crop them as I did before, and do it the way I do. Then, like I do, select the videos one by one. Go to Animations, add the Unfold animation, and set its duration to 0.1 seconds. So that's how we were able to create this transition in less than 2 minutes. So this Unfold animation is a pro one. So if you want to know how to get these pro animations, leave a comment below.